Hi, I'm Chloe with Emergency Zone.
Hi, I'm Maddie.
We are here today to talk about a survival kit that we helped create, the Essentials Complete 72-Hour Survival Kit. Here at Emergency Zone, it's our mission to help provide every family and individual the safety and security that comes with getting prepared. And this kit was inspired by us wanting to offer a complete and comprehensive survival kit that included all the supplies you would need to sustain you for 72 hours at a price point that everyone could afford. We looked at a lot of other kits in this price range and didn't really feel confident in what was available, so we created the Essentials Complete Kit to be one that we ourselves would rely on to protect us and the ones we love. In fact, this is the one that I have at home for my own family.
Yes. So this kit here is our 2-person variation, but it's also available in a 4-person, as well as a red backpack or a black backpack. So we want to kind of go over the supplies for you guys so you know what's inside of your kit, how to use it, and why we put it in there. So we're going to start with our SOS brand food and water. So these have a 5-year shelf life and they're USA made. We really like our food ration bars as they are compact, convenient, and they don't require any extra water to rehydrate them. They are also low in sodium, so they're non-thirst inducing.
Yes, and because water is so important, in addition to the water pouches, we include a Frontier brand water filter straw, which will filter out 99.9% of bacteria such as Cryptosporidium and Giardia, which are the leading causes of waterborne illness. It helps improve the taste, it will filter out harmful chemicals such as chlorine, and it helps with odors. FEMA recommends storing 1 gallon of water per person per day. Now, granted, that is for drinking and sanitation both, but we wanted this kit to be as complete as possible. And with the Frontier filter, you're able to filter up to 30 gallons of water. So as far as water goes, you'll be more than prepared.
Yes. So one other thing that we found kind of rarely on the market in survival kits is hygiene items. Now, 72 hours might not seem like a long time to be going without things like soap, shampoo, and even a razor. But it can help you feel a little more normal in a scary, unpredictable situation. Surviving can only be so comfortable, and we wanted to make it as comfortable as possible for you guys.
Yes, absolutely. So let's move on to a couple of the tools that we included in the Essentials Complete Kit. The ability to know what's going on around you, to gather information, to receive messages that are broadcasted over the radio is absolutely crucial when disaster strikes. So some of the most valuable resources you'll have in any kit are items like this LED flashlight, these light sticks, and radio like this AM/FM weatherband one. The weatherband capabilities of this radio are pretty unique to this kit and also very useful and important. NOAA's National Weather Service and public safety alerts are broadcasted over the frequencies that this radio covers. And of course, the batteries for both of these items are included.
Yes. So we tried to think of all the situations in which you might be using this kit. So we wanted to pick the tools inside it accordingly. So the first one we have is duct tape. Duct tape can be used in so many different ways. Yes, exactly. You can use it to seal windows or doors. You can use it to create a sling for your arm or even to secure your shelter. Another thing we include are safety goggles. So each person will have a pair of safety goggles. These are great in the event of a natural disaster like an earthquake, where there can be debris in the air. You're trying to evacuate to a shelter, maybe you're trying to repair your house, and you don't want things getting in your eye. Yeah. And then another thing that we have in here is our multi-tool knife. So in this knife, you'll have access to 12 different tools to help you in whatever situation might be happening. We have our signal whistle, which might seem like a small tool, but it can be life-saving as it can help rescuers find out where you are. It can help you locate other members in your party if you get separated. And then we have our playing cards. Like our hygiene kit, we want you to be as comfortable as possible. Survival situations are really scary. You don't know what's going on, and they're unpredictable. So playing cards are a great way for you to be able to occupy your mind on something else.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's cover some of the first aid and shelter items that we include in the kit. First off, we have our 53-piece first aid kit. These will help with minor cuts and injuries, and there's also an N95 mask for each person. These will filter out 95% of the particulates in the air, which, like the safety goggles, can be really useful in the event that there's debris falling or in the air around you. Now let's talk about some items that can help keep you not so wet and cold as in a survival setting that can quickly become very dangerous. There is, for each person, an emergency survival blanket. These retain high amounts of body heat, and an emergency adult-size poncho, both of which are also very versatile. You can use them to create a shelter, to collect rainwater to drink, as trail markers, or to signal for help.
Yes, exactly. So the last item we include in our kit is our Prepare for Life emergency guidebook. Along with the knowledge and experience that we have gathered for over the past decade since we opened in 2007, we consulted with experts in the medical field, survivalist community, government preparedness agencies, and relief agencies, because we wanted to give you guys an all-inclusive guidebook, because having all the supplies and tools can only help you so much in a survival situation if you don't know how to use them. We wanted to give you the knowledge and confidence to survive
as well. All right, well, that's all the components that are included that in the Essentials Complete 72-Hour Kit. But one more point that we did want to cover is it's imperative that you personalize this kit to some degree. You should add cash medications, especially prescription medications such as inhalers or EpiPens. If you have children or babies, you should add items for them, local maps of the area, and important documents. We place our guidebook in this heavyweight, water-resistant poly bag. You can place those documents in there and be sure to replace those medications as they expire. So there you have it. That's the Essentials Complete 72-Hour Kit. We hope this video helped give you a better idea of what a 72-hour kit should be composed of and to decide if the Essentials Complete Kit would be a good fit for you. We really feel that if you were to compare this kit to others available in the market in its price range, you would feel as confident in it as we do. But more than anything, we hoped this video encouraged you to do whatever it is that you can today to get prepared so that you can have the peace of mind in knowing that you've done your best to keep yourself and your family safe.